Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do trim my hair. Yes, it's been about 3 months now that I haven't trimmed my ends. Firstly, we have to start with a clean hair. You don't want to trim your ends when they're dirty because I'll be using a flat iron, and you will not want to use a flat iron on your dirty natural hair. If you want a perfect trim out with a flat iron, you need to do it on a clean hair, not a dirty hair. The flat iron I've been using on my natural hair is a Cloud9 product. We also need these 3 accessories: water in a spray bottle. I'll be setting the flat iron to 280 degrees. Yes, this flat iron comes from 180 to 480 degrees. I hold my hair into 4 parts, so I'm just going to start with one to another. I'll be starting from the back because it's way more easier than to start in the middle or the front of my hair. I just have to hold the remaining parts. Next, I'm just going to spray my water on it because my hair is very dry. And next, I'll just comb my hair out and also detangle with my tail comb. And next, I'll be going in with the flat iron. Make sure the hot iron doesn't touch your scalp, because much of heat damage the hair when it touches your scalp. So we need the hair to be straightened so we can trim out the tangled ends. You can see it's very simple and easy, and you will know where to actually trim because I straighten out my hair. After trimming, I still have to comb out the ends and still flatten it once again to be sure that there's no more knot on my hair tips. Okay, so you can see it's clean and free from knots. Just as before, don't forget to be conscious. You won't not want the hot iron to touch your scalp. Okay, be very conscious when using this. But please, if you know you cannot do this on your own, get someone to help you, or just go to a salon or to a professional so they'll just help you trim out your hair if you know you cannot do this on your own. I'll just put it this way: just to avoid a story that touches the heart, please just meet a professional. Okay, don't do it on your own. You can see how it's well cut and it's bouncy. Today is another day, and guess what? I couldn't finish trimming out my hair yesterday because you can see I have a very full hair, and it takes step by step and patience to do all this process. You can see the back of my hair. It looks very wrapped together. I don't know how to explain, but naturally, when it's not being braided or straightened, it doesn't look like a hair is stretched out yesterday. It's just so funny and also unique. Well, that's natural hair for you. After the combing and stretching and trimming, always cross check the process. Okay, Well, this is a simple way I keep my straightened hair intact so that next time I'll be taking it down, about to like style it or something, so it will be still, or it will still look straightened, and it will not be looking like that at the back. Okay, it will not be looking washed. I don't know any other word to use as for that, but right now I'll just call it washed. It's gonna be looking like something that will be squashed or mushed, I guess. Yes, you just have to comb out the back as well, and I'm going to twist it out just in 4 places. Very easy. I'll be showing you guys when I'm done combing it out. See, it's so straight, perfectly cut. The ends of the hair is looking like what it is supposed to look like when being trimmed. When I'm done twisting out my hair in 4 places, I just have to use my scrunchie to bound them together. Just like this. And you can see they're all intact and smooth. And lastly, I'll be putting on a hair bonnet. As long as I'll not be styling my hair, I have to wear this or put this on for hair protection to avoid rough edges. Well, this is our final look. What do you think, guys? Finally, my hair is looking healthy once again. You can see the alignments of my hair from the front down to the back. Well, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my short for new hairstyle. Okay, bye bye.